tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are going to have fun with all of these toys and Kitty. And we're going to start the bath because we have a lot of floaties, tiny fans, mini floaties. Let's see. All right, here are the floaties and Tiny Treasures is here with us. Say hi.
Hi.
Let's see what tiny floaties we have. There's a rainbow and a cloud.
A watermelon, a pineapple, a kiwi, a ring, a flamingo, a crab, a mermaid, an orange, or maybe it's a lemon, a duck, a palm tree floatie, a gold donut floatie, and a big flower floatie.
Let's get pumping and pump some air into these floaties. Look, tiny fans, we have so many blown up already. I wonder what Kitty thinks of all of this fun. All right, we have one more left to blow up and inflate. This is Tiny Treasure's favorite floatie, isn't it?
Yes,
What do you like about it?
Well, I love the sparkles.
They shake around inside, don't they?
And gold is my favorite color.
Now, Tiny Treasure is getting quite excited about this glitter that moves around inside. What do you think?
It's so cool.
All right, we're missing one more thing. What is it?
Water.
All right, Tiny fans, we're ready to put our toys in a floatie. How many floaties do we have, Tiny Treasures? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 floaties.
And we have 13 of our favorite figure toys. And we're not sure if all of these floaties are going to fit in the bathtub, so let's try it out. Who should we put in the tropical palm tree island floatie?
I think Peppa should go in the tropical island floatie.
Oh, I love palm trees. Okay, let's put Peppa in. Who should go in the rainbow floatie?
I think Barney should go in the rainbow floatie. All right, let's put him in.
And now the kiwi floatie.
I think Dipsy
See.
should go in the kiwi floatie.
All right, let's put Dipsy in. Next, the lemon.
I think it's a lemon.
All right, who do you want to put in?
Let's put Chick in the lemon floatie.
How How about the crab?
I think Sky wants to go in the crab.
I love pink.
All right. Woo.
Tiny fans, who do you think should go inside the duck?
I don't know. Probably Donald.
That makes the most sense. Quack, quack. Now this one and the rainbow one are my favorites. Who's going to go in the flamingo?
I will.
Dora the Explorer. Next is the watermelon floating. Now this reminds me of Tiny Treasure's pottery creation. It was a watermelon bowl, and if you haven't checked it out already, go to our video, Peppa Pig, Away We Go, Read Along Story. Who's going to go in the watermelon?
I will.
All right, Elmo, have fun.
Whee!
Time for the pineapple. Now, do you know what pineapple is in French?
Anan?
Anana.
I was so close.
And banana is banan. Who's going to go in the pineapple?
I will.
Rubble.
Woohoo!
It's time for the pink flower umbrella floaty, but let's check in with Kitty. How you doing, Kitty? Oh, are you getting tired? Who's going in this floaty?
I will.
Abby Kadabi. She loves pink. And she's shaded by the umbrella.
Ooh.
Now for the beautiful gold diamond ring. Who are you going to choose, Tiny Treasures? Nunu. Have fun, Nunu. Now for the mermaid. It has beautiful scales and a tail. Who is it going to be?
Bluey. This is going to be so much fun.
Oh, the bathtub is getting full. I think we're going to be able to fit all of the floaties because we have one more left. It's Tiny Treasure's favorite. Ooh, it's so pretty. And who do we have?
Daniel Tiger.
Oh,
Last
she's
but not least.
great. Uh-oh, I think Kitty might want to jump in and join in on the fun. Well, we hope you had fun with us today. Which one was your favorite floaty, Tiny fans? You can let us know on our Facebook page. We'll make a post. Uh-oh, we better watch Kitty. We better go. Say bye, Tiny Treasures.
Bye.
Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to open a Color Changers Cars Dynaco car wash. And it comes with an exclusive Dynaco Lightning McQueen and a Dynaco Pitty. And we're going to change the color of McQueen from black to blue using water. Here are all the parts that are in the box. And I even see some stickers that we will have to peel and stick. And there is our Lightning McQueen, and even with the touch of my warm finger, he changes color. Tiny Treasures Minnie loves cars and is helping me build the playset today. It's fairly simple, and it only took us about 5 minutes to build. We can't forget the stickers. And now it's complete. There's the Dynaco sign with a dinosaur on it It looks like an egg. And down the ramp, there's a gas pump and an arrow with a red and green light. And this is where the water will pour down on McQueen. And then he's dried off with these little sponges. And down the ramp, now there are 2 spots for water. This orange drawer is for the hot water, not too hot. And the blue drawer is for the cold water. We're going to put some ice in that. And we have both water baths ready. Now, in order to change the color of Lightning McQueen, we need to take this little Dinoco egg and fill it with water. It's squishy, so it sucks up the water. And once it's full, we put it back. Oh, and it's quite warm. And Lightning McQueen waits for the green light. And 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, Lightning McQueen is a beautiful blue color, blue like the sky. Now let's change McQueen back to black in the ice cold bath. And there we go, he's back to his original color. Stay tuned for more color changing cars that we can play with our Dinoco set. Did you spot the small miniature Dora doll earlier in the video? She was hiding. If not, you can go back and have a look. One more time to color change. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're exploring the outdoors again with the Teletubbies. And as you can see, we're beside a beautiful stream. We're going to look for some falls today. The Teletubbies have a quick dip in the water. The water is so clear. I wonder if we could spot any fish swimming by. We find a path that leads to the falls, and we must pass by a field first. The field has crickets, mice, and probably even some harmless snakes. We have to be careful not to step on any dirt piles. Those are ant hills, and they contain hundreds of ants. A few minutes later, we arrive at the falls, and they're absolutely beautiful. Look straight up and see how high they go. Did you know the tallest falls in the world are in Venezuela? The Teletubbies want to go for a little dip in the pool below. Let's have another look up the falls. It's actually quite relaxing. I wonder what it would look like in slow motion. Wow! You can see every droplet of water falling down. And I can even see sunbeams shining through the trees. Sometimes it's important to just stop and look at nature's beauty. The rocks down below are so unusual. They have different colors in them and a rusty orange. This one's quite sharp and looks very similar to an arrowhead. Tiny Treasures Minnie has been looking at rocks too. Look at all of these flat rocks. This one reminds me of a puzzle. It comes apart and you can see the different layers of rock inside. When mud and sand are compressed by the earth and water, these layers form and become rocks. Well, it's time to head out and find a spot for a picnic. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Peppa and her friends are going to be playing in the Doggy water park. But first, before the fun can begin, we have to open our little Doggy surprise. Peppa will help us. Let's open the surprise. What an adorable little puppy. And he comes with this sparkly pink boot. So fun. All right, time to open the last surprise. Aww, he's holding a yellow sparkly bone. So cute. Let the fun begin. Peppa's going to go down the slide first. Let's activate the water. Whee! Oh, Peppa, wasn't that just the most fun? It sure was. Why don't we let the dogs go down now? Looks like Peppa better get out of the way. Let's get out of the way, you guys. Aw, he's all wet now. Aw, looks like the puppies are tired and ready for their naps. Oh no, it looks like Daddy Pig's trying to go down the water slide. What if he doesn't fit? Be careful, Daddy Pig. Oh, relax, I'll be fine. Oh, goodness. It looks Daddy Pig can't even move. Maybe we should give him a little push. Oh no! Daddy Pig, are you all right? Oh, I'm fine, yes. Just a little nap will fix me. Aw, Daddy Pig is sleeping with the puppies. Is everyone all right? We heard a big crash. Oh no, Daddy Pig, are you okay? Oh yes, I'm fine. I just had a little tumble down the water slide. Well, let me check you over. I'm actually a doctor. Really? Yes. Oh, you seem to be just fine. Oh, thank you, Minnie. You're welcome, Daddy Pig. Why don't you go have fun in the water park? Oh, of course. Woohoo! And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Dora was hiding somewhere in today's video. If you didn't see her, go back and take a look.
We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. we're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.